Hey there, Fletcher from All Things Overlanding here, and today I'm talking about something a little different. I'm talking about a product that I just picked up to help me edit my videos better. So if you are someone that works remotely, works with a laptop, and you have a need for a cool little portable product, or if you live in your vehicle full time, if you are an overlander that spends a lot of time out in the wilderness, and you need something that folds up super small but allows you to have multiple screens to use for work or editing video or whatever, this will be a good video for you. So today I'm going to be talking about the FOPO Triple Portable Monitor. So if you want to learn more about this amazing fold flat portable triple monitor system, stay tuned. All right, so as I mentioned in the intro, today I'm talking about this FOPO Triple Portable Monitor. But so let's start with what comes in the package. So it comes with this really pretty nice bag with, it appears to be sort of, I won't call it waterproof, but water resistant because it does have this nice sort of sealed zipper on it. So again, I wouldn't leave it out in the pouring rain, but if it did get sprinkled on or something got splashed on it, I think this would do a pretty good job of protecting the monitors. So that comes with it. Now, in addition to that, I've been really impressed with how they package this thing. So you do have to cut through a little seal here, but then it has a magnet built into it. So it's actually magnetic. So it's actually a really nice little box. So when you undo the magnet and you open it up, you've got some connection instructions right on the inside of the box, which again, I really love that they did that. It does tell you sort of the laptop size. This one that I got, I have a 13-inch MacBook Air. So this says it'll fit 12 to 16.8-inch monitors. It will also connect via a Type-C plug, which I need because that's what my MacBook Air uses. So getting into the box here, it's got a piece of foam over the top. When you remove that, you've got this must-read best connection guide. And again, they've got like a website. Their goal, it seems, is to make it as easy as possible to make sure you get connected. It does come with these two little screen protectors, which seems pretty cool. So I plan to put these on the screen just to protect those monitors to make sure that they do not get scratched up and things like that, especially with transporting them. So that's kind of a nice thought that they put that in just to make it last a little bit longer and be a little bit more long-term of an investment. Now these here are the actual monitors, right? And you can see just how little this package is. So if I get in here, that's the whole thing. And you may be saying, wow, that's really small. Well, that's kind of the point, right? So basically what happens is you open these up, one monitor folds out one way and the other folds the other way. And I'm going to show you that here in just a second. And then you've got some power cords and some HDMI plugs and different ways to hook this thing up to different devices. So you take these monitors and you basically clip them onto your existing laptop, and then you have a triple monitor system. It does have a lot of protective packaging and things like that. The middle here, it does expand so that you can clip it onto, like it said, 12.1 to 16.8 inch monitor. So now let me open this thing up so you can kind of see how it functions. So again, you're going to start by opening up the monitors. One goes like that. And then the other one folds out of the back. Just like that. And then essentially what you're going to do is you are just going to clip this thing down onto your laptop. So basically what I've done is I'm just setting this up as kind of a demo for you guys on the floor here. But I've just got my laptop sort of pushed up into these clips here just so that it's in the middle. And then the monitors on either side. Now I'm going to take these covers off really quick and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like actually running. I'm going to plug it in. I'm going to show you exactly what this looks like and the quality of the monitors and that sort of thing here right now. One other nice little feature that I did want to point out is that it does have this retractable, lockable little leg. So basically you push this button on the back and pull out on the leg and it will come out and it gives it extra support. So it doesn't have to put all that strain and stress on the hinge of your laptop, which is really nice. So one note is that if you want to power both displays, then you do have to get another adapter, or like if you have a brick laying around, then you can power it that way. I'm going to put a link to this Apple support page in the description down below because certain types of Macs can only have one display, certain types of Macs can have two displays. So it just kind of depends on your computer and what you've got. But again, I'm going to link to this article that I found that tells you exactly which MacBooks and Mac Minis and what everything can connect to. So if you're looking at this for a Mac, if you have a MacBook Air with the M1 chip, you can only connect one display. But again, if you have one with Thunderbolt, then you can connect two. If you have an HDMI output, you can connect two. I'm actually wondering if I connect an adapter to my extra USB-C with an HDMI output on it, and then use one of the HDMI cords if I could get the second monitor to sync up with my computer, but I'll give that a try in another video. But so again, just make sure that you read through both the link that I'm going to put in the description to Apple's thing if you have a MacBook, or read through the link that I'll put to Amazon for this triple monitor to make sure that it's going to work for both monitors for your computer. So now that you've sort of seen how it functions, let's see what else comes in the box. You lift that little foam insert out, and then you've got just a bunch of different plugs and ways to hook it up, which is pretty cool. So you've got USB-C to USB-C cable, video and power, and again, they've got little notes on them that tell you whether it's just for power or just for video. In order to power the monitors and so that you don't just drain your battery, it comes with a brick, and then it comes with a power-only USB-A to USB-C power cable. So you will hook this thing up via this brick and this cable to a wall socket to power the monitors. And then you'll use the other USB-C to USB-C connector to connect your laptop to the monitor so that your video comes through. And then you've got a little screen cleaner in here. It does come with these little tiny protective caps. And it says that if your laptop screen is super thin, you can use these to basically make it fit into those clamps a little bit better. And then you've got a mini HDMI to HDMI cable. Like full-size HDMI, you have got a mini HDMI to HDMI cable again, so you've got two of those. Then you've got a USB-C to USB-A cable, power only. Then you've got a little cord wrap, and you've got a really nice, really sort of thick user guide that goes into a lot of details and has a QR code for how to get to their website. They've also got support phone numbers and emails in there, which I really like. So that's pretty much what comes in the box. All right, guys, so there you have it. The FOPO Triple Monitor is a pretty cool piece of gear to add if you are, again, working remotely or editing videos or anything like that where you need at least one, maybe two monitors. As I mentioned in the video, it does kind of depend on your laptop, what you can and can't connect. So if you have a PC, you may want to check your PC and see, can you connect multiple monitors to it or not? In the case of the Macs, again, I'm going to put a link in the description down below that tells you which Macs can connect how many monitors and that sort of thing, how that all works, so that you can check that as well. But again, I hope that was helpful for you. If you have any questions or comments or anything, drop those down in the description below. I'm happy to answer them. As always, there are also links to all my other social channels, so if you want to go check out all things Overlanding elsewhere, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, wherever, check out those links down there. There's also links to my website where I've got patches and stickers related to overlanding stuff, so if you're into that, check that out. And then last but not least, there are links to my Patreon group where we have a 24/7 Discord and do a once-a-month call, like Zoom call, to hang out and talk about our gear and our rigs and that sort of thing. And then there's the Newbie Overlanders group on Facebook, totally free to join, tons of awesome members in it, and lots of awesome information about overlanding, camping, that kind of thing. But again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.